Have you ever noticed that there are some words in English which have a negative prefix or suffix, but no opposite? For example, reckless, there's no wreckful. And so the word that I would like to choose is the word gruntled. Obviously, we have the word disgruntled in English, which means very upset, angry, or unhappy at your situation or at something that's happened to you. So I would like to suggest the word gruntled, meaning particularly happy about the situation or about what's just happened to you. For example, an example sentence would be, the staff were particularly gruntled when they heard they were going to get a 10% pay rise this year. So that's my word, the adjective gruntled.